Okay, it's just been a few minutes and I'm looking up on the ceiling with my construction light on because I'm glad I got my construction light so I can look at this carefully after it's dry. I can see areas. I don't know how well it's going to come in with the on video. I can see right in there, right in here where I stopped and goed. And as it's drying, you know, you're going to see splotches, but once it's dry all the way, take a look at it. Get your construction light out, because if you've done a good job, you've taken your light fixture down in your bathroom so that you can get everything painted properly. So if you got a construction light like mine, you know, I would highly recommend you get it out and shine it up on your ceiling, on your walls when you get done. And I kind of figured I was going to have to put 2 coats of paint on the ceiling because this ceiling was already semi-gloss, and because it was that tan color, there's just virtually no way to get 1 coat of white semi-gloss paint to cover 100% in here. So that's another reason why I wrapped that, because I know I'm going to have to get back in there. I just left this open because, like I say, it's not going to take that long for this to dry. You only need to have it dry to the touch, and it's probably 65 degrees in here, and you know, as long as this area here, once this dries, even if this is slightly wet, well, I would say, depending how big your room is, then you could start over here where you first started your paint, and then by the time you get over this way, this little section will be dry, depending how much time you need. I'm gonna let it dry all the way. I'm gonna get up there and feel it with my hand. As long as it's to the touch, then you're okay. You don't want to put the second coat of paint on till the first coat is dry to the touch, or else you're going to reactivate the first coat, and there's no way you're going to get 100% coverage, nice even lines and all that kind of stuff if your first coat is not dry all the way, okay? And so even if I would have put the double click gray on the ceiling, I think I would have had to have done 2 coats. It's still up for debate whether or not I'm going to be able to get these areas covered in 1 coat. I don't think so. You know, all of these walls out here, I was able to cover in 1 coat, but yet, though initially that was flat wall of this color, and then I used an eggshell out there, and 1 coat covered fine. But because this is a bathroom with semi-gloss on the walls, chances are 1 coat's probably not going to be enough with my semi-gloss double click. Had I realized that, would I have gone with the double click up here on the ceilings? I don't know. All my other ceilings in the rooms where I have semi-gloss paint in the closets, in a storage room, also in the bathroom downstairs, I put white. And so once you start 1 bathroom, you might as well finish it. But if you didn't start any areas and you're getting ready to repaint, could you do your ceiling the same color as your walls? Yeah, you could, depending what color it is. And it probably would be okay. Then you wouldn't have to cut in your ceiling and your wall per se. You're still going to have to cut in around your tile and your surrounds here, and the baseboard is tile, and then I've got to cut around the cabinet, got to cut in around the toilet, got to cut around the side of the cabinet, the side of the cabinet over here, the door jamb side, and the top, and that little edge. I've got cut in coming out of my ears in the bathroom. Okay, so hey, I'm okay. I'm glad I'm doing the white, and I'm gonna match what I did everywhere else. And it's a given, no matter what you end up doing, you're gonna get little paint droplets from something, from your paint can, from something else, from something else. When you come out of here, see, I've already been out onto this floor probably 5 or 6 times. When you come out, I see most of these paint drops are from, when I use this this craft paper from before. I probably should have flipped it over and got the cleanest side and put that facing up, right? I probably should have done that, but I know there's a couple little spots over here and over there, and I've been really careful as I've been going out. And see, that's a dry one from before, and so I would just step over here with my feet, you know, and then lift up, make sure there's nothing on the bottom of my feet before I walk out on the carpet. And then you can take a little rag or something and do this kind of business too, just to double check. But I always put my feet on the craft paper first. See, if you had a white drop cloth, there's no way you're going to be able to see that, or plastic or anything like that. Well, that's another reason why I like the craft paper. That way I can check my shoes going in and out, and be careful as I go. Okay. All right. I'm still waiting for this to dry. It's taking a little bit longer than I thought, but this section, it's only been 15-20 minutes since I started from this side. Maybe a little bit longer than that. This side is already dry to the touch. This side from about the exhaust fan that way is still slightly damp. So I'm gonna make sure I wait until it's 100% dry, okay, before I get back up there and put on another coat. Okay, and I didn't know how long it was going to take to dry. And I had a little bit of extra paint left in there, so I transferred that paint back into there. I always like to use my little plastic deals like this, then I can get the paintbrush off with that and do all that. This time I thought I'll just leave the paint mixer stick in there, and I've already mixed that up. That way I don't have to set that anywhere, because that's got paint on it. And I'll just leave it in there until I get all done. See? Okay, so just be careful as you're doing your painting. I mean, it's not rocket science, but you know, all these little do's and don't forget about this and don't forget about that. Once you do painting once or twice, you'll get the hang of it, and hey, it's a nice way to save money around the house.